Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kaundu. I'm taking you on a tour of Lucky Summer, one of the fastest growing neighborhood in Kenya, and we are walking along the river. So I am showing you the backyard of Lucky Summer before we go to the main area or main center. So kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video as I show you how Lucky Summer is. Okay, aje kofiti sija record mimi na record barabara. You see more construction happening over there. Yeah, and then what do you call it, the river over there flowing. You can see Lucky Summer looks very beautiful, very fast growing. Yeah. You can see some people are constructing very nice bungalow here. Is it a bungalow or some nice homes? And I'm surprised that I am seeing some Somali communities over here. I would not be surprised they are the ones that are building these nice homes over here. Look at this very nice home. And then on the other side is Dandora. So Dandora ndio hiyo huko. Then this other side tuko Lucky Summer. Yeah, quick tour to just show you how this place looks like. It's a nice place you can be able to live in. Yeah, I'm told that rent around this place for a one bedroom costs around 12,000 or around 12, 15, depending with the amenities that you're gonna be getting from that house. A single room, I think around 5,000. Yeah, so this is Kaundu for you. Make sure you subscribe, support me, guys. You can see some nice homes. Yeah, this is Lucky Summer. More construction taking place. Yeah, the real estate development in Kenya is the fastest growing. Yeah, you can invest in Kenya and make good money if you are careful. The problem with the real estate development in Kenya, the more it's growing, the more we have infiltration of corn people. Yeah, so let's get to the main street because we are walking the back street. Yeah, so you can see people washing. Yeah, probably there is a water problem around here. That's why you find people washing here. So kama unavyoona, here is Lucky Summer for you. Here's how it looks like, and it looks cool. Doesn't appear to have so much population. Like I told you, I am surprised that we have Somali community in Lucky Summer. Naona wengine bado ndio hii hapa. Kwa dhani Korea kwa isili peke yake, mwingine ndio hii. I think they are quite many. It's church time. Watu wanatoka church. So you can see for yourself. It looks cool. Biashara ziko na noga. And then Some construction taking place over there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel as I take you on a tour of this neighborhood and show you how it looks like. So we are now in the main center. I think this is the center of the Lucky Summer. You can see they even have a supermarket. Yeah. And matatus wanabebea watu hapa. Poa sana. So twende nalo. Matatu zinabeba watu. This area looks a little bit busy. Huku ni busy kidogo kuliko ile place tumetoka. I'm trying to avoid this border guys. hotels over there, chicken being sold. The area does not look very bad. You can see they even have some big clubs. Yeah. Some nice apartments over here. You can see it's relatively Kosabu. Hey, Kosawa. One thing that I have noticed that this area has got so many churches. This is one church, that is another one, and probably you see in front of us there is also another one. So I think the supply of churches around here is quite many. Yeah, another one here. Those are like 5 churches in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's another thing that I have observed. People around here, either they are gunzi or they are just aggressive people. I have received some few threats by some people, but whenever people try to threaten me, I just ignore them. The only thing you don't allow is for them to get closer to you. More businesses. It's a nice place, but the last time I was here, this road wasn't like this. It was very bad. You can see they have fixed it. So, not very bad. There's a county office over here. Doing in India, county government. Just a big structure over here. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You have seen this place for you. I have shown you quite a little bit, though not that much. We have not gone in interior. So kindly subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this area. We are out now. So we are almost done with this tour of Lucky Summer. There is a back street. We are again getting to the back streets as we go home. See for yourself. We are in the back street as we go home. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and let me know what you think about this area.